Hey there, YouTube. What's going on? It's your neighborhood redneck back at you again. And today, we're going to unbox this AIO here from Lian Li. So why don't you pull up a seat and we'll get at it. Alright, so today we're going to unbox the Lian Li Galahad. It's a 360 AIO. This is featuring 3 of their Unifan SL120 editions. This shows black, but I did get it in white. 5-year warranty. So let's check it out. The box is pretty good, so hopefully it survived. You know how the shipping is. But this is going to go in the Fantex, the P500 case that I got. That's why I bought this in white also. Alright. Software and instructions. Some more instructions. Mounting plates for Intel and AMD. Instructions. Alright. Wow, that's a big boy. That big beefy radiator. Pretty awesome. Set that aside. Here's what I'm excited about. The Unifans, 3 of them. They all daisy chain together, interlock. I don't have to have wires running everywhere. Simplifies things. RGB controller, just in case your motherboard doesn't support 5-volt ARGB. Looks like the magnetic plate that goes on the AIO screen, so you can change the aesthetics. Looks like AMD brackets, because I think it's got Intel already on it. And it looks like some more cables and the wires for the RGB. Get to all that in a minute. What do you know? We got more cables. The last connection for the Unifans. With a nice little pigtail, so that'll be sweet. And the do not eat gel. That's a bummer. That stuff's pretty good. Box out of the way. Alright. Nice white braided sleeve tubing here. That'll be pretty awesome. Like I said, I wanted white to go with the new build. That copper cold plate there on the pump itself. This will fit your LGA 1150 series, your 1366s, I believe the 1200 series, LGA 2011s, AMD AM4 sockets. So it's got a machined durable housing here out of aluminum. And it's got, of course, the Lian Li logo here on the front. RGB, I'll be putting that case on it probably. Nice brackets. Pretty hefty, so bet that'll bring it down. Temperature wise, over on this side, we have the nice aluminum radiator. Got the brushed aluminum front here. It says Lian Li. Let's get the white end caps. This has a fill port in case it ever gets low. You can add more to it. That's always freaking handy. And of course, you got all your mounting holes here. Really nice. About 1 inch thick. Tightly packed fin stacks on there. It's pretty awesome. Then you have your it's like your pump and your ARGB plugins for the AIO pump itself. You got the Lian Li Unifan splitter and controller. RGB. Like I said, these are just more cables, including the last piece of the unifans here. So this just slips onto the last one, locks into place. Then you have your PWM and your ARGB simplified. Let's get one of these fans open. Oh, very nice. Oops. Nice white 120mm fans. They're not flimsy, real nice and solid. Nice piece of, well, it's not aluminum, that is plastic. But it does have rubber on all four corners for vibration. Then right here, lock in the next one. It's got all the ARGB and your power connectors. And then they sent black sticker in case you didn't want it silver. We're gonna leave these silver. So we got another one here. Get both your fans, place them in, slide them together. Got a lock on this line, and this line is unlock. So then you got those, you got your third one, then you got your last piece here, your power adapter. It goes this way, it's got an arrow pointing up. Slides in there nice and tight. Let's get that last fan. Maybe we'll get them plugged in, lit up. Just line up the tabs. Slide them together. And that'll mount easy right to the radiator. Easy peasy. Alright. Those. So here's the little aluminum puck. It's supposed to be magnetic. Go right to the pump screen. I don't know if it'll stay on. Oh, it will with the plastic there. And that covers up the Lian Li logo. And then a little RGB all the way around. That's pretty awesome. Either way you want it. Looks like you have a SATA controller here. Control your Lian Li box, and then you can control each fan's RPM and RGB individually, running probably Lian Li software. I don't know what they have, but they might sync to your motherboard. Depends. Let's plug these in, and I'll show you what it looks like. The fans. All right, folks. I kind of got my rig tore apart partially, and have this kind of rigged up just so you can see it. We'll light these fans up in the CPU block. Let me just turn on the whole tower here. Look at them beautiful lights. Of course you can change the color and the sync and everything else you want inside the software for the Lian Li. I'm probably not going to be using that, but there we got some rainbow puke. Got the CPU block here, it's got a ring all the way around the outside. Then of course here in the center where the magnetic cap is, you can take off. I like it with it on, so you end up going with that. But let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll leave a link to this for sure in the description. Got it from Amazon. Lights look pretty good, nice LEDs.